Hello everyone, tonight we're here in Gateshead, Windy Nook Nature Park. You're probably wondering what we're doing here. Sub-zero temperatures, it's starting to snow. Are we mad? Probably. We do this because we know you enjoy the videos, so keep on watching. The reason we're here, back in the day, this used to be houses here where Mary, what's she called? Someone help me on the side here.
Elizabeth Wilson.
Elizabeth Wilson, that's it. Notorious murderer, murdered 4 of her husbands, not actually in the park here, where the houses were. So hopefully tonight we may possibly get in touch with her, maybe one of the husbands that had died, and even before that this used to be a colliery, so there's a very good chance we're going to pick up maybe somebody who died or lost their lives in the colliery. But also tonight we have with us, to help us do all this, we have Aaron. Come in and say hello.
Yeah, hello.
Aaron. Look him up. This is Aaron from Exploring with Aaron. That's it. So, you know what? At the end of all of this, check him out. Exploring with Aaron, YouTube. Just put it into the search a little bit. In the top, you'll find him. And mind you, he's awesome. He'll do some challenges. So, any ideas for a challenge you would like him to do, you know, put them his way. And it'll give us a great laugh because we'll come on and we'll watch them as well, and it'll be something else. Anyway, thanks for coming out tonight and doing this with us, and I hope it all goes well. So anyway, we're going to get on now and let's start this investigation. Everybody out here with us tonight, can you give us a sign? Come to the box that I have in my hand. Can you say one of our names? Got Brandon, Chris, Terry and Aaron here. Whoa! Just said Aaron?
Yep.
Did you hear your name then? Whoa! Just said Aaron?
Yep.
Did you hear your name then? If you just said Aaron's name, could you please say it again? That was clear, wasn't it? If you've got any message that you'd like to say to one of us, please tell us. One. I heard one. I heard one. Is that one message? If you've just said one there after me asking you if you've got a message for us, you said one. If you've got one message for us, and that message would be to get out of here, you've got to tell us. Mary, do you have any regrets to what you've done to your husbands? Do you have any guilt about you? We'll be back, or I'll be back. I'll be back. Did you hear that? Oh, God, Jesus. Scratching me. Why don't you touch me, push me, do something to one of us? Come on.
Touch Aaron.
Huh?
Touch Aaron.
If you don't want to touch me, touch Aaron.
If any of Mary Elizabeth Wilson's husbands are here with us now, please do something, say something, touch one of her, say your name.
That whispered something, didn't it? There was a whisper there, but I don't know what it was.
I've just been touched. Someone's just
Honestly?
grabbed me on.
Has someone... Really? Somebody's just touched you?
Yeah.
For real?
No lie.
Holy shit, man. If you've just touched Aaron, I know you had your name said as well.
I've had my name said.
So if you are the person that has said Aaron's name and you've just touched him, tell us through this device that I have in my hand. What did it touch you, by the way? Was it on the arm?
What was it? Wow. Have you just touched me? Have you just grabbed my arm? If you have, who are you? What's your name?
Why don't you touch one of the other people here? Touch me. Enough. No, I'm sorry. It is not enough for us. It's just, I don't know if you can see it on there.
I can bring them right up.
Harvest. I'm sure they used to. I'm sure that I read that one of the husbands actually used to harvest up this end. He used to harvest his own. He's had his own farm up here. I'm sure I've read that about that. He harvested something.
I only left for £100.
I think I've read that on the internet. It's on Wikipedia, I think. Just to let you know on there. A really good opportunity here to communicate to us on your own grounds to what that crime that you've done. Have you got any remorse? Maybe you've got some remorse now that, you know, and you feel a bit guilty for what you've done. If any of the husbands can come through, can you tell us how you feel about Mary?